YouTube is Crypto Cuts, man. I'm dropping content. I'm trying to get back to it. I'm not really feeling it, but I'm dropping content. But I got my boy John in the chair right now. Street Center John. Follow that IG if you want to learn how to pop wheelies. He's the guy for the job. I'm kind of learning. I'm kind of getting my bike up as well. I'm excited. But the reason why we are here today is because someone decided to pull their hair out. And no, it was not John in the chair. It was somebody else. So for that, somebody who pulled out the hair, I want you to know that I do not like you because you made my job hard. That is the only reason. But what we're going to do is I'm going to set my ball guideline in, and then we're going to start my taper process. And when I first got to it, I'm like, yo, how am I going to fix it? I knew I was going to have to blend it in, obviously. But towards the end, I did something that I shouldn't have. And it really made me mad at the end of the haircut. But the lineup, the haircut, the lineup, you know what I'm saying, was crispy. But it just made me mad. But same taper steps as usual. If you watch my YouTube videos, I use the same taper steps usually on all my tutorials. Lever open. I believe I have my one guard closed or open. I'm kind of like flicking the lever back and forth, but I'm just trying to debulk, just trying to get it, faded. I'm not explaining this very well right now, but just bear with me. It's 2 a.m. It's a Monday, and I just got done hooping at a men's league, adult men's league, basketball league, and the team we faced, they killed us. I'm not gonna lie, they killed us. They beat us up. And for those two refs that were reffing that game, you shouldn't have allowed them to beat us up like that. That they weren't playing basketball. That was not basketball. That was just a beat down. Punched us, they elbowed us, they slapped us. It was bad. It was really bad. So for those two refs, I hope that you never ref another game in your life, because you really let them hurt us. But I'm done rambling, man. Just enjoy the video. I'm not gonna lie, man. These clippers, these boosts are like my top tier Babyliss clipper. Like, these boosts are the best Babyliss clipper that they ever came out with. So, you know what I'm saying? Kudos to Babyliss. Sponsor me. I love your clippers. They do well. They hold charge long. They look clean. They look sleek and clean. It's just an overall good clipper. Now, what I would really want you to do is make a detachable clipper. I know there's a lot of detachable clippers on the market, Babyliss, Conair, but make a detachable clipper that says Babyliss on it. I would make you very, very happy. Have a full Babyliss lineup. sick, and I said it's 2 in the morning. But line up process for the front. Take it down with the one guard clothes. Put some hairspray on it, blow dry it, and line it up. It's pretty self-explanatory. You can use any hairspray you want. The hairspray I use is kind of a little bit heavy and it leaves residue on the forehead. But you can also use a hairspray called Sebastian. It doesn't smell technically the best, with my opinion, but it gets the job done, and it really does make a difference on your lines, the line quality. Lineup, but now I'm going to talk again. I don't condone violence. But why are you pulling out a man's hair like that? I ain't gonna lie, I'm running fade. I'm just running fade. Because why is you pulling my hair out? If I pulled your hair out, you gonna call your brothers, your uncles, your dad, your mom, the homies. If I pulled your hair out, you gonna be mad. Why is you pulling my hair out? I don't care how mad I made you get or what I did. It might depend on what I did. I might have deserved it. But why is you pulling my hair out? But I don't know what the instance was, bro. But just stop doing this. I had to cut off somebody's dreads because some girl pulled Pro's dreads out. It's getting kind of ridiculous. It really is getting ridiculous. You're making my job 10 times harder. I mean, I do enjoy cutting the hair off. You know what I'm saying? Don't get it. My mic went bad, but you know what I'm saying? I'm going to bleep myself out. Don't get it up. Don't get it up. I enjoy cutting the hair, but stop doing this. I don't condone violence.
Awake.
This is the final product. My boy John laced up. You know what I'm saying? 716 bike life till I die. You know what I'm saying? I love riding my bike. But if you enjoyed today's video, please leave a like, subscribe, and definitely follow me and follow John. John the Street Settings. We'll put it in the link in my bio. And my Instagram is CryptoCuts. I'm out of here. Chick.